How to change your TikTok account password. Intro. Forgot your password or just want to update it for security? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to change your TikTok password. Step 1. Open TikTok app. First, open the TikTok app and log in to your account. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then, tap the 3 lines in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Step 3. Open Account Settings. Now tap on Account and then choose Password. Step 4. Enter verification code. TikTok will send you a verification code to your registered email or phone number. Enter the code to continue. Step 5. Create new password. Now, type in your new password, confirm it, and tap Save. Make sure your password is strong and easy for you to remember. Outro. And that's it. You've successfully changed your TikTok password. If this tutorial helped you, hit like and subscribe for more TikTok tips.